So real quick, I have some awesome accessories for your Pocket 3 that are really cool.
Mr. Black.
And before we get to that, if you like the Pocket 3 and you're new to the channel, don't be a stranger. Also click that thumbs up and it will give you more Pocket 3 videos from YouTube. And I'll put links to everything down in the description. But this one's actually really quick. This comes in from ulanzi, and check this out. For one, you have this little adapter that will pop right onto your Pocket 3, and it holds in place just like any of the other Pocket 3 adapters will. But this also gives you access to a couple of things. It gives you access to a screw thread at the bottom, and it gives you access to USB-C so you can charge this thing. So that is a nice little addition to this thing. But also they have this little tripod. It locks into place with those two little side bolts, and you can screw this thing on very tight. And here it is. It's the world's smallest tripod. And I just love how you can set this thing down and it just kind of plops open. But it's great because a lot of times you don't want to carry around a larger tripod and also have to have that other attachment. This is actually really nice to just plop it down to get those time lapses, to get some creative shots that you need. And especially because you can plug this thing in and also keep it charged up, that just makes it a lot easier. It's a quality made system, very heavy duty, it's not plasticky. So if you're looking for something to simplify your Pocket 3 setup, this is definitely the way to do it. Now, they also have a quick release system bracket that you could put on. So if you're doing something a little bit more mobile, a little bit more portable, and also off-road or something with like rough terrain, yeah, you're gonna want something like this. Now, if you look closely at this thing, you'll see that there is a lot going on here. For one, you have a magnetic mounting point right there, and that will actually connect to like DJI's other mounting systems for like their action cameras. So you can easily jump between mounts that way. But also it has a cold shoe on it for lights or microphones. And on this side, you have a quarter thread, but also you have a little action fingers. So you can pop these things open and you can set them on your like GoPro mounts. Plus on this side, they have their F22 Quick Release system. So if you do have their Quick Release system already, you can easily have this on a mount and then you can pop this thing on and then easily release it like that. And then that way you can mount your Pocket 3 in a variety of different scenarios. Like maybe it's on your motorcycle handlebars, or maybe it's on your bike, or maybe it's on your car, like on some kind of mount that's on the top. You can set this thing on there. It gives you a lot of options. If you want to learn more about what you can do with it, do check out the link in the description because there's lots that you can do with this thing. But that's it for today. I just wanted to make a quick video highlighting that stuff. I do have some more really cool Pocket 3 accessory videos coming up, as well as a lot of really cool products that I am very much backed up on and I'm trying to get ahead of it. So stay tuned for all of that. If you want to see some other really cool Pocket 3 gear, you can click one of these videos that's on the screen and I'll see you there.